What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer or send Polygon from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly make the transfer? Well, first things first is we want to get the address of our Binance account. So you want to go ahead and just log into Binance.com and click on your wallet at the top right here and access spot. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says deposit at the top right, and you want to go and choose deposit crypto. Now from here, you want to search for the coin. So in this case, since we want to transfer Polygon, go to search coins here and just type in POL. And you want to make sure that you're using the correct network for it. So in this case, we'll be using Polygon here that use the Polygon ecosystem token. Let's go and choose this one. Now from here, let's go ahead and choose our network. And you can go ahead and choose either Matic or ETH. But in this case, I want to use Matic here, which is Polygon POS. Now from here, you want to go and just copy your address here. And you want to head over or open up your Phantom Wallet. Now, in your Phantom Wallet, either in your browser or in your mobile device, you just need to click on the option here that says send. And you want to look for the crypto you want to send here. So in this case, I'm using Polygon that uses the Polygon network. So in this case, let's go ahead and select that one. Now from here, just enter the address and the amount itself. And once you've entered that, just click on next at the bottom right here. Confirm a few things. So in this case, that's about it. So, by the way, the transaction itself might take a few minutes due to the network being quite congested right now, but you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.